What's going on, folks? JP here. In these videos, I'm going to create and set the world record for the most cars ever driven. In this video, I'm going to go over the 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trail Hawk. First thing I notice is the grill and the hood are all in one thing. And you got to actually get your ass down here and try to find out how to get this unplugged. How do you do this? How do you even get in the hood?
1 hour later.
Oh, found it. The hood release was right here. Stupid. The 2019 Jeep Trail Hawk produces a respectable 271 horsepower. Rocking the 17-inch aluminum rims. Somewhat aggressive tread on it. It's decent-ish looking. It's not a real Grand Cherokee, it's just a regular Cherokee. It's not my favorite looking Jeep ever produced. Oh wow, it's trail rated. So we got your 4x4 right here. What the f is this? Downhill? What does that do? Got your 4x4 right here. I like this, got heated steering wheel. That's pretty freaking cool. The radio, XM radio. Nothing blows me away about this car right off the bat. 2019 Trail Hawk. Heat's warm, Jesus. Turn this shit off. It's got the dual exhaust on it. It sounds good. The tires on this one actually give it a little bit of a road noise. I'm not really crazy about that right there. It's kind of loud on the interior of this car. It's got some decent little pickup on it. My first impression on driving this down the highway is the road noise is driving me nuts. What's that? What's that? It's an old C10! Yeah, buddy! C10 just passed in the background. All right. Don't forget to check out my C10 videos. We're building a 1986 C10. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you want me to feature your vehicle and you're in the upstate New York area, hit me up in the comments, or if you want to drive your vehicle up here or fly me down to wherever the hell you are, let me know and I'd love to feature your car. We plan on hitting 1 million subscribers by the time we do the 100th review. So if you want your vehicle featured, hit me up. The ride is pretty smooth. It's decently responsive. Doesn't blow my mind. I like the steering on it. It's got a nice tight steering. And we're about to do the 0 to 60 launch in 3, 2, 1. That didn't seem too bad either. It's loud, so it seems like I'm going faster than I am, apparently, I believe. This is a loud cabin. Are these all the windows up? Jesus. The car, all in all, this car drives pretty good. Cruises pretty good. The interior's loud on it. Stereo kind of sucks. Definitely wouldn't be on the top of my to-buy list, but to each his own. Some people like Jeeps. If you guys like Jeeps, let me know in the comments. Rolling at 38. Motor sounds great. 60, that's enough. Let's see how it turns hard. She handles nice though. This car, I gotta give it to it. It handles really good. I'm gonna drive each vehicle at least 1 mile to qualify. Every VIN and all the miles driven will be recorded for the record. If you're in the upstate New York area and you want me to drive your car, send me an email. The link is in the description. Thank you all for watching. If you're car people and you like cars, like the video.
Look at that, look at that.
All the smart people are already subscribed, and the smart people that have not subscribed yet are hitting the button right now. So be a smart person. See you guys later. I gotta roll. Shut up!